In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Adobe Premiere Pro run smoother and reduce playback lag. If your timeline stutters or your playhead keeps pausing, these workflow tweaks will help you edit faster without sacrificing final quality. First, lower your playback resolution in the program monitor. Click the drop-down under the viewer and set it to 1/2 or 1/4. This only affects what you see while editing, not your exported file. It's the quickest way to lighten the load on your system, especially with high-resolution footage or heavy effects. If you're color grading or checking fine detail, you can temporarily bump it back up, but for general editing, stick to a reduced setting for smoother scrubbing. Next, make sure GPU acceleration is enabled. Go to File, Project Settings, General, and set the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine GPU. This lets Premiere offload many effects and playback tasks to your graphics card, which is far more efficient than relying solely on the CPU. If you see multiple GPU options, choose the one appropriate for your hardware. After switching, give your timeline a quick test. Many transitions and effects should feel more responsive. Now, clear your media cache. Open Preferences, go to Media Cache, and click Delete. Over time, cache files can grow large or become outdated, which slows down searching, conforming, and playback. Clearing them forces Premiere to rebuild only what it needs, often restoring snappiness. Don't worry, this won't delete your actual media, just temporary files. While you're optimizing, close other apps you don't need. Browsers with many tabs, music software, or background utilities can eat up RAM and CPU, leaving less horsepower for Premiere. Freeing up resources can be the difference between choppy and smooth playback, especially on laptops or older systems. For heavier projects, use proxies. Create lower resolution proxy files that stand in for your originals during editing. Premiere makes it easy to attach proxies to your clips and toggle them on and off in the program monitor. You'll enjoy fast, fluid editing with the smaller files, then switch back to full resolution for export so your final video retains maximum quality. Just be mindful of disk space since proxies are additional files. Finally, keep Premiere and your GPU drivers up to date. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better hardware support. Regularly checking for the latest stable versions helps prevent crashes and playback glitches before they start. Follow these steps, and your